I'm Greg, I'm 24 years old, I'm French, I'm from Paris, and I have a business background. And I did the bootcamp to have more complementarity in my academic background. I have this business background, but I wanted to know a bit more about the technical aspects, of a product was working. I would say that, Le Wagon gives this possibility to do the bootcamp in whichever city you may want. In the end, the classes are the same, and I just choose to discover a new country while developing those technical skills. So I felt that Buenos Aires was a good fit for me. And this has been 9 very intense weeks in which I gained a lot of knowledge and skills. So that was very demanding, but also extremely interesting and satisfying in the end.